Hi, I'm Brad. Today I'm fishing with Johnny K. And let's see what happens. And remember, like and subscribe.
All right, here we are on another hot Tennessee day. Today we are at a state park, Natchez Trace State Park that is, in beautiful Tennessee. I'm at a little lake on a kayak for the second time. I see some structure there that I'm gonna try to fish. Today I just brought my ultralight setup. Again, this is a Cast King Summer 500. 6-pound test. I am using a mule jig with a chop magnet. So we'll see if this bad boy catches anything. And we are on a fish. What do we have here? Little sunfish. All right. Oh gosh, man, this is a really long ear sunfish. Look how long his ear is. I hope that's okay on the camera. Oh gosh, this guy's feisty. He's flying around. Hopefully it's not too bright. I'll get him back in the water. Well, hello friends of YouTube. We are back today fishing for sunfish out on a lake at Natchez Trace State Park. Out here with some friends, just a few days on the weekend. Out in the cove right now, trying to catch some bluegills, and so let's see if we catch anything. Thanks for watching. Yes. Video guy. Oh gosh. Again, I'm using a chop magnet on a 1/80th ounce mule fishing head jig. Let's switch it up and see if we can catch anything different. I'm gonna try, let's try this guy right here. Oh, this is gonna be too big for my hook or not, but we'll give it a try. The spot seemed really good with all these trees, you know. All right, that was 13 casts or so with this little lure, and I wasn't able to catch anything, so had a few little bites, but nothing stuck. Time to change it up. Try this little grub. We'll try the little trusty grub. Only got one of them left. All right, I feel like there's gonna be a fish right there. It's a little deeper pocket, lots of structure where the fish can ambush this bait. Oh yeah, that was a great cast. Let's reposition ourselves here. It's a down tree, which provides cover. For a fish, just as I suspected. Oh God, another fish in the boat. No. All right, this 2-inch Kayak swim bait is too big for this hook, but we're in a really good area where I think a bass might be, and so we're gonna try to switch it up so we can catch a bass for a bigger sunfish. We'll call this the 10 cast challenge. Oh no. Gonna have to get Bradley's assistance here. That's what I hate. Bradley, this is what, your third time fishing out of the kayak? What do you think?
Man, I can't catch anything.
It's tough. Do you think kayak moves around a lot and just trying to get in a good position?
No, I like it. I just think, you know, I just want to catch something. I'm trying to not catch anything.
Yeah. Have the cutter or something?
No, I'm gonna
Bringing out the pliers. I am currently tangled up, and oh, there. All right, I lost that swim bait in the tangle, so we're gonna try this little grub, a little bit bigger than the white grub that I was using earlier. Maybe it'll produce a bigger fish. I'm gonna go back, fish this tree structure because it provides a lot of cover for the fish. All right, we are closing out this fishing expedition. It's been a tough day. This last half didn't really catch much. As you can tell, Bradley's having a lot of fun. Bradley, what do you think?
Man, three trips. One on the river, 2 in a lake, and no fish. It's frustrating.
Is it because you think it's the heat of the summer?
I do. I think the only time to catch them right now is, you know, right at daylight, like first thing in the morning. But tell me, what do you think in the comments?
Comment below. Until then, see you next time. Keep it real.